So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Pinterest post here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on where it says Tools. Then go to the top left of these options to where it says Crop and press on Crop. Now, if you want to crop this photo into a Pinterest post, or the same dimensions, I guess, as a Pinterest post, it's very simple. Slide this bottom bar all the way to the right until you come across the Pinterest logo to where it says post. And by pressing that, it actually changes the aspect ratio or changes the dimensions into what a Pinterest post would be. So if you wanted to swipe this over to the left and catch this, for example, you can just go to the top right and press on apply. And there you go. You've now cropped your photo into a Pinterest post here on PicsArt. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.